Today's Tuesday, May 5th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado vinyl top halo trim set. This is a 10-piece trim set specific to the Eldorado, unique and specific to 1969 and 1970 only. This is the 10-piece set. It's stainless steel trim, which attaches all around and circumnavigates the vinyl top, allowing the vinyl material to stay approximately 1.5 inches away from the drip edge. It includes the front header molding, the rear window V-shaped molding, the moldings that go across the front driver side door and front passenger side door, the down molding with the curvature on either end that then meets the V-shaped molding for the rear window. In the two side corners, we have the corner moldings, and at the very top, connecting to the header molding, we have the corner turn molding, left and right. So it is a 10-piece set, 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado halo top for the vinyl top variant car, going to my friend Doug at Landers. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 E1 Eldorado, and over 250,000 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including the one-year-only 1969 rim blow steering wheel. Today is Tuesday, May 5th. Thank you very kindly.